ఒకసారి ప్రాబ్లం వినండి. లిజన్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఇన్వాయిస్ ప్రైస్ మెథడ్. Ragamai of Cochin consigned 200 cases of Ayurvedic medicine to Sri Charani of Hyderabad. Ragamai is the consigner. Sri Charani is the consignee. Consignee native place is Hyderabad. So this is Hyderabad consignment account. Next, the cost of each case is 400 rupees, but invoice price is 500 rupees. This is the invoice price method. So you must take goods sent on consignment as per the invoice price method. So as per the invoice price, 200 cases, invoice price is 500 rupees, nothing but, and 1 lakh rupees is goods sent on consignment account. Next, it will be debit on the consignment account. Next, Ragamai paid 1200 rupees toward packing and carriage. Ragamai is the consignor. So consignor expenses is 1200 rupees. It is debit side on the consignment account. Next, Sri Charani informed throughout account sales that 180 cases are sold at 520 rupees. 520 rupees. This is the sales value. It should be recorded on the credit side of the consignment account. Next, expenses paid by the Sri Charani were freight 800 rupees. This is the non-recurring expenses. So it must be recorded in consignment account debit side as well as add to consignment unsold stock valuation as per proportion of unsold stock. So 800 rupees is spent for 200 cases. 20 cases for how much? So 800 into 20 by 200 rupees, we get the proportion of expenses of the unsold stock. This is the, remember one thing, non-recurring expenses, so it must be added to unsold stock cost as per proportion of unsold stock. It is, remember, compulsory. The same amount will be recorded consignment account debit side. This is, and remember one point. Next, the commission and calculate 5% on sales. Commission will be 5% on sales. So, and what is the amount of sales? You must calculate commission. It should be recorded on the debit side of the consignment account. Next, prepare consignment account and consignee account in the books of Ragamai. Only they are asking in the problem, prepare consignor accounts only, consignor books only. So we must prepare 3 accounts: consignment account, consignee account, and goods sent on consignment account. Okay, and come to the one by one. First, and as per the invoice price, how much? 1 lakh rupees. So 1 lakh rupees must be recorded here to goods sent on consignment. Goods sent on consignment. How much? 1 lakh rupees. So we and work as per the invoice price method. So you must record as per the invoice price and amount. What is the consignor expenses? Ragamai paid expenses 1200 rupees. So it must be recorded on the debit side, consignor expenses. And also Sri Charani expenses is 800 rupees. So 800 rupees must be recorded here as well as add to unsold stock. and cost as per proportion of unsold stock. Next, first you must calculate the sales value, and what is the sales value means 180 and at the rate of 520 rupees. 180 rupees at the rate of 520 rupees. 0, 0, 0. 0, 16, 16, 1. 2 1 ja 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Next, 5 0, 0, 5 8 ja 40, 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja 9. 0, 0, 6, 3, 9, 93,600. This is the, remember one thing, 0, 0, 0, 3 zeros. Next, 2 0 0, 2 8 ja 16, 1, 6, and 2 1 ja 2, 2 plus 1 3. This is the second step. Third step, 5 0 0, 5 8 ja 40, 0, 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja 9. 93,600 rupees is sales value. So you must record on consignment account by Sri Charani account within the bracket sales 93,600 rupees. Next, commission. This is a sales value. Commission $93,600 at the rate of 5% commission. 5% commission. 0, 0, 0, 0. So 9365. 50, 53 ja 56 ja 30. 53 ja 15. 15 plus 3 18. And 5 9 ja 45. 45 plus 1 46. 4,680. 4,680. 5 3 ja 30. 3. 5 3 ja 15. 15 plus 1 16. 6. 5. 5 3 ja 30. 0 3. 5 3 ja 15. 15 plus 3. 15 plus 3 18. 1. 5 9 ja 45. 45 plus 1 46. 4,680 rupees commission to Sri Charani. 93,600 into 5 by 100. This is the 4,680. Next, and as per excess in goods and on consignment, actual cost is 80,000, but we are sending at 1 lakh. So what is the difference between 20,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees, and cancellation purpose? We have to write here loading charges, or loading is, excess loading is for cancellation purpose. Goods sent on consignment Nothing but IP minus CP, invoice price minus cost price, 20,000 rupees. Simple amma, em ledu. As per the cost concept, what amount and paid and actual amount must be recorded in accounting system. But this is a technique. Suppose you have write here 80,000, there is no 20,000, it is also correct. But here 1 lakh rupees record, here 20,000 record, it is also correct. Why? Because 1 lakh rupees and opposite direction 20,000, it is nothing but it is, and 80,000 equal to 80,000 rupees. So 20,000 will be what are the amount excess are spending on consignment, that is cancellation purpose, 20,000 will be recorded on credit side. Why? Because it is excess including 20,000 rupees. 20,000 rupees cancellation purpose record here only 20,000 as per the entry. Next, here also, and 20,000 rupees are for excess for 200 cases. For 20 cases for how much? And this is the excess in closing stock. 200 కేసులకు 20,000 రూపాయల ఎక్సెస్ ఉన్నట్లయితే 20 కేసెస్కి హౌ మచ్? కాబట్టి 20,000 ఇంటూ 20/200, 0 0, ఈ 0కి ఈ 0 క్యాన్సల్, ఈ 2కి ఈ 2 క్యాన్సల్, ఈ 2కి ఈ 2 క్యాన్సల్, 2,000 రూపీస్ ఎక్సెస్. In another ways, 400 rupees are cost price, but invoice is 500 rupees. For one case, 100 rupees is excess. So 100 rupees excess. So what is the unsold stock units? 20 units at the rate of 100 rupees. It is nothing but 2,000 rupees is excess in closing stock. And no need to expansion. Simply say what is the excess in goods and on consignment, and that will be calculated basis on excess in closing stock. Excess in goods and on consignment లో ఉన్నదాన్ని బట్టే excess in closing stock లో ఉన్నదాన్ని కూడా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. excess in goods and on consignment 20,000 రూపీస్ ఉంది. అన్సోల్డ్ ప్రపోర్షన్ ఎంత అంటే 20 యూనిట్స్, కన్సర్న్ యూనిట్స్ ఎంత అంటే 20 యూనిట్స్. కాబట్టి 20,000 ఇంటూ 20/200, నథింగ్ బట్ 2,000 రూపీస్ excess in closing stock. This is a simple way. Otherwise, calculate as per the invoice price, as per the cost price in previous and explanation. It is a lengthy process. It is a time waste process. So you must adopt this one is correct. Suppose 200 units are excess is 20,000 rupees. 20 units how much? This is the formula, and here only apply. So excess in closing stock is 2,000 rupees. It will be recorded on the debit side, stock reserve account. Stock reserve account amount is 2,000 rupees. What is the unsold stock value? By consignment stock, within the bracket unsold, 10,200 rupees. Total then 0 0 2 plus 6 8 2 plus 3 5 93,600, next 2,000, next 10,200, 0 0 8 5 and 10 plus 9 plus 1 10, The 1,05,800. 1,05,800. 1,05,800 rupees. What is the amount? 1 lakh. Next, 1,200. Next, 800. Next, 4,000. 680. Next, 2,000 rupees. 0, 8, 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 2, 16, 14 plus 16, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8. Next, 0, 1, 1,08,000 and sorry, okay, sorry amma, 93,600, 20,000. Next, 10,200 rupees. 0, 0, 8, 3, 12, 9 plus 3, 12. 1,23,800 rupees. 0, 0, 8, 3, 9 plus 3, 12. 1,23,800. So here 1,08,000. 0, 8, 14, 16, 3, 7, 8, 1,08,000 rupees. So 1,23,800 rupees minus 1,08,680. 0, 2, 1, 5, 1, 15,120 rupees is profit to profit and loss account. Profit or loss account. This is the profit. So this is the $1,23,000 93,600. Next 20,000 rupees. Next 10,200 rupees. 0, 0, 8, 3. 1,23,800. 1,23,800. This is the and next come to the consignee account. Consignee account, here Sri Charani account. So you have to write Hyderabad consignment account. Amount is 93,600 rupees. No advance is given in the problem, so no need to write for advance. By for expenses, Sri Charani 800 rupees. Here Hyderabad consignment account amount is 800 rupees. By for commission, here Sri Charani, here Hyderabad consignment amount 4,680 rupees. In the problem, commission calculate. There is no information about settlement of account, so simply by balance carry down you have to write. What is the amount? And 4,680 plus 800 rupees. 0, 8, 14, 5,480 rupees. 93,600 minus 5,480 rupees. 0, 10, 2, 5, 1. Next 13 plus 0, 8, 10 minus 8, 2, 5 minus 4, 1, and 13 minus 5, 8. 88,120 rupees by balance carried on. This is the answer. Total amount 93,600 rupees. Remember one thing, and goods sent on consignment transfer to trading account must be at cost price. So first year goods sent on consignment, it must be recorded on the credit side by Hyderabad consignment account. Amount is 1 lakh rupees. The same must be recorded on this amount will be recorded this side. So trading account must be transfer with cost price to trading account. What is the cost price? 80,000 rupees. 80,000 rupees. Here also goods sent on consignment is there. This will be transferred to this side to Hyderabad consignment. How much? 20,000 will be recorded here only. Total amount 1 lakh rupees, and here also 1 lakh rupees. Remember one thing, when they are giving invoice price, there is a certain changes in the consignment as well as goods sent on consignment only, not affect in the consignee account, either invoice price or cost price, whatever it may be. Consignee account is remains same. There is no changes in the consignee account. Only changes in the consignment. Another one is goods sent on consignment. At that and invoice price, there is a certain changes other than the and cost price. This is the one change. This is the one change. These are the two changes. And you must calculate profit as per the profit cost concept. So what is the excess amount is include this one, that should be right opposite direction, 20,000 rupees. So it is nothing but in accounting procedure point of view, amount will be here only 80,000 rupees, but it appear 1 lakh rupees. This is the technique. Here also as per the cost price, closing stock value is and very high amount, means 2,000 rupees excess in the closing stock value, excess in closing stock value. So And how to access in the closing stock means 20,000 rupees including for 2,000 units. For 20 units how much? In the same, and 20,000 into unsold stock proportion 20 by 200 and we get the excess in closing stock. Excess in closing stock. ఇందులో 200 యూనిట్లకు 20,000 రూపాయలు ఎక్కువగా ఉంది అంటే 20 యూనిట్లకు ఎంత అంటే 20,000 రూపాయలు ఇంటూ 20/200 కొట్టినట్లయితే మనకు క్లోజింగ్ స్టాక్లో ఎక్సెస్ అనేది వస్తుంది. ఇందులో 200 కేసులకు 20,000 రూపాయలు ఎక్సెస్ ఉందని చెప్పినాము. ఓకే, క్లోజింగ్ స్టాక్ యొక్క యూనిట్స్ ఎన్ని? 20 యూనిట్స్. 20 యూనిట్స్కు హౌ మచ్? 20,000 ఇంటూ 20/200. 200 ఎక్కడ సార్ అంటే మనం కన్సైన్మెంట్ మీద పంపిన కన్సైన్ యూనిట్స్ ఏంటంటే 200 యూనిట్స్. 200 యూనిట్స్ 20/200 యూనిట్స్ ఇచ్చినట్లయితే మనకు అండ్ 2,000 రూపీస్ వస్తుంది. ఇది ఒక మెథడ్. ఇంకో మెథడ్ ఏంటంటే క్లోజింగ్ స్టాక్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. ఇన్వాయిస్ ప్రైస్ ప్రకారం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తారు, కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ప్రకారం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తారు. రెండు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి రెండింటి మధ్య ఉన్న